we want to find out what is the weight of a particular object, what we are actually trying to find, we are actually trying to find out how light or how heavy an object is. How light or how heavy an object is. Okay, now do one thing, children, everyone. Do one thing. Hold your book in one hand. Hold your book in one hand and hold your pencil in another hand. Okay, hold book in one hand and hold pencil in another hand. Now, when you will compare these two, you can easily find out that your book is heavier than your pencil. So your book is heavier than your pencil, and or we can say that your pencil is lighter than your book. Yes or no? So what actually we are doing, we are comparing the weight and we are trying to find out how heavy or how light an object is. Okay, now do one thing. Take your eraser in your hand. Take eraser in your one hand. I want everyone to do this. Take eraser in your one hand. Okay, and then take your pencil box in another hand. Your pencil box. Okay, now you try to compare it. In one hand eraser and in another hand pencil box. Okay, now you try to compare. So Pratik, which is lighter?
Eraser, ma'am.
Okay. Dhriti, Rati, which is heavier?
Ma'am, pencil box.
Yes. So your pencil box is heavier than your eraser, or you can say your eraser is lighter than the pencil box, right? So, okay. So we can take two things in our hands, okay? In one hand, one thing, in another hand, other thing. And then we can say which object is light or which object is heavy in weight, right? But when we want to find out the exact weight, if two things are almost similar in size, or sorry, similar in weight, then how we will find out which is the heavier between the two? Then what we will do, we will compare it by using the unit. By using the unit, that is, we will use grams or kilograms to compare the weight of a particular object. Okay, so this we'll do later on. First, we'll complete this exercise. Okay, now you all have understood how to compare how light or how heavy an object is. Yes. Now, so we did this first one, hen and butterfly. Sorry, this honeybee. So what we have to do is we have to match the heavier object. And always remember one thing, children. Heavy object will always come downside. Okay, so we will match this hen here. Yeah. Next. In next bit, orange is there and a flower is there. Orange and flower is there. Tanishka, you tell me which is heavier, orange or flower?
Orange, ma'am.
Yes, orange is heavier than a flower, so we'll match it to the downside. Children, keep on writing all the answers. Okay, next. Kushal, you tell me in the next one. This mobile phone is heavier or this PC is heavier?
TV is heavier.
Kushal, which is heavier?
TV is heavier, ma'am.
Okay, so we will match it to the correct side, downside. Okay. Lohit, which is heavier? That footwear or that socks? That pair of socks or footwear? Which is heavier?
Foot.
Okay, that sandal is heavier. So we'll match it to the correct side. That is downside. Always remember the object which is heavier will always come downside of the seesaw. Okay, seesaw is there, no? Riyansika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Riyansika, tell me which is heavier, watermelon or mango?
Watermelon.
Watermelon is heavier than mango. Okay, that's correct. So we will match it. And children, match it with the correct side of the seesaw, okay? Yeah. Okay, so this is done. So I'll clear this now. This was easy. Okay. Now, next. Okay, children, now you all need to open page number 113 of your math textbook. This is your textbook, children. Page, open page number 113, 113, 113 of your math textbook. Open your textbook. Yes, children, open page number 113.
130.
Take out your math textbook, children. Open page number 113. Yeah. So I was telling you that you can take two things in your hand and then you can compare and then you can tell which is heavier or which is lighter. But sometimes what happens, you have two things of almost similar size or similar weight, but you are unable, and then you are unable to tell which is heavier, which is heavier. Then how you will find out the exact weight? Like, okay, so, but you don't have this book. Suppose you have your math notebook in your hand, okay, and then you have your math textbook in your hand, right? Then you can easily tell, okay, so math textbook is large in size, big in size, so it will be heavier than your math notebook. But sometimes what happens, now if you will compare your math course book or English course book, both will be almost equal in weight. Yes, your math course book and English course book, if you will hold both these course books in your hand, then you won't be able to tell which is heavier, right? Then what you have to do is you have to use a particular unit to measure the weight. Yes, Riti Rati.
Ma'am, page number
Page number 113.
130.
113. Yes, then what you can do, you have to use the unit to measure the weight. So what is the unit to measure the weight? Like we were measuring the length of any object by using meter, centimeter, right? In a similar way, we have a unit to measure the weight of an object. Yes, Hanvika?
This page number is 114, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, page number 114. Thank you, Hanvika. Yes, children, this is page number 114. Okay, so the unit to measure the weight, the standard unit to measure the weight of any object is gram, okay? I'll write here. The standard unit to measure the weight, later on we'll be writing it in your notebook, is gram. And in short, we can write it as G. G stands for grams, and we measure weight of small objects in grams. And when we want to measure weight of heavier object, we will use the unit kilograms, and we can write it as kg. So kg means kilogram and G means grams. Okay. Again, I'll repeat, when you want to measure weight of lighter object, you will use this gram, and when you want to measure weight of heavier object, you will use kilogram. Okay, like if I want to measure weight of your, like if we want to measure weight of your eraser, your pencil, your sharpener, so these are small objects and these are light in weight. So we will use grams. But if I want to measure weight of your bag, school bag, which is filled with books, we will use kilograms because your school bag is heavy. So now if I want to measure weight of any girl or any boy, so a girl or boy will be heavier, right? So will be heavy in weight. So we will use kilograms. Again, I'll repeat, if you want to measure weight of any light object like your pencil, eraser, your pencil box, sharpener, paper, chocolates, then chocolates, toffees, then you will use grams. You will use grams. And when you want to measure weight of heavy objects like weight of a boy, weight of a girl, weight of apples, weight of many apples, then it will be measured in kgs. It will be measured in kgs. Okay, kilograms. Fine. Now if you will look at page if you will look at page number 114 carefully, children, you can see that we have this beam balance. Look here, last picture, 3 pictures are there, beam balance is there, right? You all can see this beam balance. This beam balance, now we are using digital weighing scale. We are using digital weighing scale. If you'll go to any shop to buy rice or wheat flour or any pulses, then you can see that nowadays shopkeepers are using digital weighing scale. But earlier people were using these beam balance to measure the weight of rice, pulses, gram flour or wheat flour. Okay, so this is known as beam balance. This is known as beam balance. And so what exactly the shopkeeper will do, he will put your object like you want to buy rice flour or wheat flour, he will put that on one pan, and on another pan he will put the weight. He will put the weight like 5 kgs, 2 kgs, 1 kgs, 10 kgs, like that he will put that weight on another pan. Okay, and remember one thing, if the object is heavier in weight, it will go downside. Okay, and if it is more in weight, it will go, sorry, if it is heavier in weight, it will go downside, and if it is less in weight, it will go upside. Remember this thing whenever you are comparing the weight by using beam balance. All right. Okay. Now come to page number 115. Write date and classwork on page number 115. Supratik, page number 115. 115. My practice time 2. Yes, children, my practice time 2. Page number 115. Write date and classwork quickly. Okay. As I told you, when you want to measure weight of light objects, you will use gram. And when you want to measure weight of heavy objects, you will use kilograms. Okay. And I told you one more thing clearly. If you want to measure weight of many apples or many fruits, then it will be measured in kilograms. And if you want to measure weight of any one fruit, only one fruit, like only one orange, only one banana, or only one apple, or only one guava, then you will use gram. Then you will use gram. But if there are many fruits, you will use kilogram. Remember this thing. Okay, so we'll start with the first one. Okay, so small baby is there in first bit. Now you have to think and tell which unit you will use. Yes, Hanvika? Hanvika?
Kilogram.
Very good. Weight of a baby will be measured in kilograms. Very good. So children, write their kilograms and write correct spelling. Kilograms. Okay, that's correct. Very good, Hanvika. Now next. Okay, now fruits are there. Fruit basket is there. Yes, Aslan?
Ma'am, the flour will be there.
What?
We will use kilogram.
What are you saying, Aslan? Aslan, you need to speak if you're using raise hand option. I didn't hear. AVK Ganesh? AVK Ganesh. Yes, tell me, grams or kilograms? Many fruits are there. Sorry, vegetables are there.
Kilograms.
Very good. So we will write here kilograms. Okay. So please write correct spelling. Again, I'm repeating, you all need to write correct spelling. Okay, that's correct. Now next is weight of a book. Book is there. Now Manvit, 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 weight of a book. Kilogram or gram? No, it will be in gram. Book is not that heavy. Okay? Yeah. It's not that heavy, so it will be in grams. Ashwita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwita. Next picture. What is that? Floor is there. Okay. Tell me, grams or kilograms?
Gram.
Huh?
Kilograms.
Kushal, please sit properly. Kushal, Sanjay, sit properly. Yes, so it's a packet of flour and it is always measured in kilograms because it's a big packet. So we'll write here kilogram. Now, next, an apple is there. Okay, next. Aditya Ram, tell me, apple, weight of an apple, gram or kilogram? Only one apple is there.
Gram.
Very good, gram. Only one apple is there.
Gram.
Okay, I heard. So, gram. Okay, that's correct. Now, next is football. Dhriti Reddy, unmute yourself. Dhriti Reddy, quickly unmute yourself. Not there. C.A. Shreyan,
Yes, ma'am.
weight of a football, grams or kilograms?
Gram.
Very good. Weight of a football will be in gram. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, now next. What we have to do is we have to find the weight of the following objects. Now children, see, I told you that on one side we'll put a weight, on one side of the beam balance we'll put a weight, and on another side we'll put the object which we want to measure. So here we, if you will look at your second question, you can see that here we want to measure the weight of apples, So what we will do, we will look at the right hand side pan. Okay, two pans are there, no? One on left side and one on right hand side. So we will look at the right hand pan and we will see what is the weight. Now, if you will look in your book carefully, you can see the weight is 1 kg. Weight is 1 kg. I'll underline it. See here children. Here you can see, look at the picture. You can read it very carefully. It's written 1 kg. I'll write here. Look at the right hand side of the pan very carefully. I'm writing here also. 1 kg is written. So it's a 1 kg weight. So weight of apple is equal to 1 kg. So in this box, we will write here 1 kg. We'll write here 1 kg. Okay. So write here 1 kg. Now, next. Now we have to tell what is the weight of that rice packet. Akshaya. Akshaya, what is the weight? Look at that weight carefully and then tell me how many kgs?
5 kg.
Very good. So children, see here. That's the correct answer. You can see here. It's not that clear. Please look in your book carefully and then you can find out that this weight is 5 kg. This is 5 kg, right? You all can see in your book. So now in this box, what you will write? Weight of this rice bag is equal to 5 kg. So we will write in this box 5 kg. Okay. So write here 5 kg. You just need to look at the weight. What is the weight in the pan? And then you have to write that. Okay, done. Okay, so this is completed now. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Children, again I am asking, is there anyone who is still writing? Okay then. Yes, children, now close your textbook and open page number 15 of your course book. Page number 1515 of your math course book. Again, I'll repeat, open page number 15 of your math course book. Yes, children, open page number 15 of your math course book, write date and classwork. Here we have to read the sentence carefully, and then we have to fill in the blanks with heavier or lighter. Okay. Yes, children. Again, I'll repeat that this is page number 15 of your math course book. Okay. Now, so first one is a chili is dash then a lemon. Chili, okay. So chili will be heavier or lighter than a lemon? Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
a chili is heavier or lighter than a lemon?
Lighter, ma'am.
Very good. So a chili will be lighter than a lemon. So we will write here lighter. And children, please write correct spelling. Aslan, you need to unmute yourself. Yes, Aslan.
I will tell you.
Huh? Yes, Aslan.
I will tell the second question.
Okay, Aslan. See, one by one, everybody will get a chance. So don't say that I'll tell the second one or third one. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, so first one is done. A chili is lighter than a lemon. Now next one is an elephant is dash than a dog. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
elephant will be heavier or lighter than a dog?
Elephant is lighter, not
Elephant is heavier or lighter than a dog?
heavier, ma'am.
Yes,
Elephant.
elephant will be heavier. So we will write here heavier. And children, please write correct spelling. Do not make any spelling mistake. That's the correct answer. Elephant, an elephant is heavier than a dog. Okay, now next. A book is dash than a pencil. Meghna,
Yes, ma'am.
a book will be dash. A book is dash than a pencil. Heavier or lighter?
Lighter, ma'am.
A book is lighter than a pencil.
Heavier, ma'am.
A book is always heavier than a pencil. So we'll write here heavier. Listen to the statement very carefully, children. A book is heavier than a pencil. Okay. Shri Hassan,
Ma'am.
a crow is dash than a peacock. Crow is heavier or lighter than a peacock?
Lighter. Lighter.
A crow is lighter than a peacock. Okay, that's the correct answer. So we'll write here lighter. A crow is lighter than a peacock. Okay. Krishika,
Ma'am.
watermelon is dash than an orange. Watermelon.
Ma'am.
Watermelon is dash than an orange. Heavier or lighter?
Heavier, ma'am.
Very good. Watermelon is heavier than an orange. So we will write here heavier. Again, I am repeating. Please write correct spellings. Next, a flower is dash than a tree. Advaita,
Ma'am.
A flower is dash than a tree. Heavier or lighter?
Lighter than a tree, ma'am.
Very good, Advaita. So a flower is lighter than a tree. So we'll write here lighter. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now next. Aslan, now you tell the last one. A banana is dash than a pumpkin.
A banana is lighter than a pumpkin.
Okay, that's the correct answer. So a banana is lighter than a pumpkin. So we'll write here lighter. Okay, so Lighther, lighter. Yes, again I'm repeating, do not make any spelling mistake. You all have to write correct spelling. So a banana is lighter than a pumpkin. Yes, children, write fast. Come on. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, Dhriti Reddy. Dhriti, you need to unmute yourself.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Write fast, Dhriti. You were not there. Write fast.
Oh.
Yeah. Now next question is you have to look at the picture and then you have to identify whether it will weigh more than a kg or less than a kg. Second question. I'll be sharing that question with you. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone? Okay, so nobody is writing, so I'm clearing this now. Yes, children, now second question. This is you have to look at the picture and then you have to match it with the correct statement whether it will weigh more than a kg or less than a kg. Right? Now, Z, first picture, bicycle is there. More than a kg or less than a kg? Bicycle is heavy or light?
Heavy.
Bicycle is heavy, so it will be more than a kg means more than 1 kg. So it will be more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg?
More than 1 kg.
Very good. So we will match it with more than 1 kg. That's the correct answer. Children, I'll repeat that a kg means 1 kg. A kg means 1 kg. Okay. Pathan. Pathan. Yes, apple. More than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? Only one apple is there.
More than 1 kg.
Yes, an apple will weigh less than 1 kg. Okay. Now, next. Nitya Sri,
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me, cricket bat is there. More than 1 kg or less than 1 kg?
More than, ma'am.
Nitya, were you present yesterday? Nitya?
Want to check? Oh, no.
No, ma'am.
Why? Tell me.
చెప్పినా going to mama.
I was going to my sister's home.
Okay. Yes, children. So weight of a cricket bat is more than 1 kg. That's correct, Nitya. So we will match it with more than 1 kg. Okay. Now next, Ashrita. Ashrita. Yeah.
Yes,
Weight.
ma'am.
Yeah. Weight of a pen. Weight of a pen. More than 1
Yes.
kg or less than 1 kg?
Less than 1 kg.
Very good. So we'll match it with less than 1 kg. P. Shrehan. Weight of a girl. P. Shrehan. Weight of a girl. P. Shreyan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Weight of a girl, more than 1 kg, less than 1 kg.
More than
More than?
1 kg.
Okay, so that's correct. So weight of a girl will be more than 1 kg. So we'll match it with more than 1 kg. Now next, okay, coffee mug is there. Jay, weight of a coffee mug, more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg?
What, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Weight of a coffee mug, more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg?
Less than 1 kg.
Very good. So we will match it with less than 1 kg. As I told you, a kg means 1 kg. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now, next one is you have to choose the correct symbol. Okay. So first of all, I'll tell you and then we'll start this question number 3. Children, remember this thing that grams, as I told you, this G stands for grams. Grams is used to measure weight of light object, and this kilograms, kg stands for kilograms. Kilograms is used to measure weight of heavy object. So this is very clear that grams is smaller than kilograms. Again, I'll repeat, grams is used to measure weight of light object and kilograms is used to measure weight of heavy object. So this is quite obvious that grams is smaller than kilograms. Grams is smaller than kilograms. Okay. Now, Anik Sai, Anik,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me 1 kg is greater than 1 gram or smaller than 1 gram?
1 kg
Is,
is greater than 1 gram.
yeah, 1 kg is greater than 1 gram. So we will put a symbol like this. Very good, Anik. Now, next, Akshaj. Akshaj. Not there. Bilvika,
Yes, ma'am.
which is greater, 5 gram or 50 grams?
50 grams, ma'am.
Very good. So we'll put this symbol. That's the correct answer. Now next is 7 kg and 20 grams. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
which is greater, 7 kg or 20 grams?
20 grams.
Wrong. I said gram.
10 kg.
I said gram is less than kg. So 7 kg is greater than 20 grams. Remember this thing, children. Grams is less than kgs. Shriman,
Yes, ma'am.
last one, 60 kg and 60 kg. Which is greater?
Both, ma'am.
Both are equal. 60 kg and 60 kg. So we'll put equal to sign there. Okay, now this is completed. Page number 15 is completed now. Now, next. Now, children, open page number 2020. Open page number 2020 quickly. Open page number 2020 of your math course book. Yes, children, open page number 2020 of your math course book. This is very easy. We'll do it fast. Page number 20, write date and classwork. Again, I'll repeat, open page number 20. Write date and classwork, okay. Hanvika? Yes, Hanvika, tell me. We have to estimate. I mean, we have to guess the weight of the particular object. Tell me what can be the weight of the, what would be the weight of this cake? 2 kgs or 50 grams?
50 grams.
Cake is this much light?
2 kgs, ma'am.
2 kgs, not 50 grams. Okay, now Ashrita. Ashrita, not there. Dhriti Reddy,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, weight of this spectacle. 3 kgs or 200 grams? It is very heavy.
200 grams.
Very good. So it will be 200 grams because specs is not heavy. Azlan,
Yes, ma'am.
laptop. 3 kgs or 33 grams?
3 kgs.
Very good because laptop is heavy. Riyansika,
Yes, ma'am.
sandal. Grams or kgs? 200 grams or 2 kgs? Heavy or light?
Water.
Sandal.
Water. 200 kgs.
200 grams, not kgs. 200 grams. It's grams, not kgs. See you, Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,